Margot! That little robin is still very interested in what I'm up to. Say hello, Margot. Ha! Right. I cut the rear arch out. I didn't do a video in case I messed it up. But it's coming. I didn't do a video to, I didn't want to be distracted too much, and so I put a piece in, literally maybe that much all the way across. Shush, Margot. I need some fine filler now, some really fine filler. So it needs rubbing down again, some fine filler. Stuff like this will be ideal. So finishing putty. It's in the post. Whether it comes today or not, I don't know. So I'm pausing that. I'm keeping it covered up at night, so no moisture gets into the filler. What I'm going to do is, this lock's gone bad, and I've only got one key for this car. So I've been into my parts stash, found an ECU off an 1800 Z-Tech, a full lock set and 3 keys. However, the PATS control unit wasn't in the box, so I don't know whether this is the right one or not, but I don't know if the ECU matches either. So this is a SLUG ECU. I think it should be okay. That's what I'm going to get stuck into today. So the first thing will be remove the ECU. ECU is located in that corner there. See what the ECU says. See if it matches. Then I'll do the ignition barrel. And see if that PATS control unit fits. If that's not the right PATS, then I might go back to the parts shed and see if I can find another PATS. I don't know. Let's see what happens. Okay guys, lock set's fitted. Locked. Unlocked. So I fitted the PATS. It was the right one. It did fit. It does work off this key. So yeah, starts and runs fine. But I have a genuine question, and I hope someone out there can help me. The ECU that I took off the GTI, the one it came from the factory with, is a JEST. The ECU that came off the red 1800 SI is a SLUG. The pins match. You know, same number of pins, no pins in different locations that I can tell. Same number. It runs the car, but why is it a different code? And will that make any difference? So the other thing, what I could do is, if the answer is yes to that, what I could do, I got 2 options. Have 2 keys, one for the door barrels, one for the ignition, or I could put the key and the old PATS unit, I could put the chip and the key behind the cowling. Wouldn't really want to do that because then the immobilizer is not activated. The immobilizer would be permanently disabled. Or alternatively, I get a blank JEST ECU, so I get one that's been wiped, that will match that key. There is one on eBay. It's £95 plus £10 postage. But if that ECU is going to be fine and run the car as normal, it came off an R-Edge, it came off a 97 model, and it came off an 1800 Z-Tech, and it was a 3-door. One thing I do think is that car had air conditioning. This car doesn't. So that could explain that difference. I don't know. I'd love it if any of you guys know. Yeah, the filler didn't come. So, hopefully tomorrow. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys.